YouTube, Troystarz, Troystarz trucking. So in this video, basically, I'm just gonna replace my headlight with full LED lights.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
So I drove to the location here in Ontario, and I got two LED lights. You can see those big box are the LED lights. I'm not sure why the box are so big. We're going to install these lights today because I'm going to give the truck to a driver. So I want to make sure, because most of the runs is night run, basically, you know what I mean? Even though for a short distance, but I want to make sure I have quality lights in the truck. So that's what I'm about to do. So in this video, we're going to install these LED lights and see you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going by my mechanic. So the lights that I have in before, I usually use the LED bulbs, which one of the bulbs really outperform the other bulbs, you know what I mean? I'm gonna leave the link of that bulb in the description so you guys can check it out. It's really good. I can say that. The other two actually burn out, you know what I mean? Get really low and dull. So I choose to, you know what, I'm gonna go full LED. So I get some full LED bulbs. So they're in these boxes. As soon as I get to where I'm gonna put the bulbs in, I'm going by my mechanic. So that's where I'm gonna install these bulbs. So I'm gonna let you guys know if I get any dash on any codes on the dashboard or anything like that. So we're gonna look at the lights that is coming out. We're gonna look at the light that is going in. So we're gonna do. You guys gonna see everything that's going on. So I just come to pick the lights up. I just purchased these lights. So I'm gonna tell you how much for it later down in the video, and we're gonna install them together. So thanks for tuning in. It's about Troystarz Truck. YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Yeah. So in this video, basically, I'm gonna do an unboxing on the new headlights, the LED headlights. So just gonna show you guys what's going on inside the package, and then we take it from there. So thanks for tuning in. Troystarz. Yes, YouTube. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys the headlight that is currently in the truck now, the dullness on it and all that. And I'm here at the mechanic shop in Brampton. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's going on with the headlights, what the lights look like. As you can see, I'm gonna turn them on, but I'm just showing you guys what it's like at the moment, how the light look like. So this is the dim. This is it when it's on dim. Although it's the daytime now, we can't really tell how bright it is, but I'm gonna put the bright light on now. So this is the LED bulb that I have in there at the current moment. Okay, YouTube. Yeah, so it's 3 10 bolts that all lights up. So that's what I'm gonna use to remove these nuts, these bolts. So it's 10 bolts. So it's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 1 at the side right here. Make it 3. I don't think any is at the top. No, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna pull this clip right here for the lights. Okay, so this is the old one. So basically, it's 4 screws that hold it up. I thought it was 3, but it's actually 4. So I'm gonna put the new one in now.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, YouTube, so I finished with the lights. I'm gonna see if I can show some footage of the light shining on the road. So I'm gonna tell you I paid how much money I paid for the lights. So basically the price of the light is, one of them is for $450, so plus HST, that's one just $17, and the total is $1,017 Canadian. You know what I mean? It said come with one year warranty. So basically that's it. So that's how much I paid for the lights, and I'm gonna see if these lights really make sense, and it's fully LED, and there's a code that come up on the dash that's showing me that basically, like it's saying there's something wrong with my bulb. You know what I mean? I'm not seeing that light now, because you guys know I have a fog light code already. But let me turn the light on and see. Oh, well, the code is not coming up now, but I saw the code earlier today, so I'm not sure. But if it come up, throw up the there it is. It says IBM low, headlight low, being right, open, right? But I know they told me a code may come up on the dash, so I'm gonna I have a friend that can take this off. Basically, you can go by a dealer, or you can go by someone that know how to take it off. You know what I mean? Take off this code. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so that's it. So thanks for tuning in. Troystarz. Troystarz Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. And just a quick disclaimer, this video wasn't or is not sponsored by anyone. So this is just my thought, my own money. This is just, me, like, you know what I mean? But yeah, as you guys saw, my headlight were before with the foggy look, that dull look, which I could clean it off, spray it and whatnot, but I plan to give the truck to a driver. I didn't want to do an experiment before I send him out there, so I wanted to get I tried to go for the best that I think would work in this at this moment, right? So this is it. I went out and I searched for an LED light for the Volvo truck. There were a couple that came up, but I think I liked this one because of it wasn't a light at the top and a light at the bottom. It was a light at the side and side. So it's like basically comes like a car, like our car would situated, like the light down, because with the Volvo truck the bright light show down where it's supposed to be, and the running light will show at the top of the bulb, right? But in this case it's set up a bit different. The light on this one, it's close by where the high beam is. The high beam is this one all the way at the bottom ish, and this one is right next to it as the running light. So with this setup, it gives you a wider spread, and the indicator they put it at the top, which is okay, you know what I mean, because it's still visible and everything is fine from my view, right? But like I said, this light, I just drive with it for one night, and it really bring a difference in night driving. You know what I mean? It really brings a difference in night driving, and I like the quality of the light, in a sense where it is kind of lighter. Well, not kind of, it is lighter than the original one that I take out. But I don't know how long this glass is gonna last for without getting foggy. You know what I mean? I don't know how long. And also, it comes with a 1-year warranty on it, so if anything happened within 1 year, I can take it back. That's fine. I should keep the receipt, they told me. So far so good. I like the style, you know what I mean. And yeah, let's take a look at the bright. I'm gonna turn on the light on the bright, so I'm gonna play a little with the light switch on the inside. So this is, let me set up on the ground.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.